Hello all, this is the continuation of the previous video series only. Within the video series, we have made a series for explanation of different Python library. So in this video, we are going to work with the socket Python library. So first for that, we are importing the socket library, and within that, we are using some functions like connect, socket, send, then receive, close, etc. So these are the functions which we are going to use within the socket. First, for that we are creating a socket object within a variable s. For that we are using the socket function itself within socket, and that in that we are calling two variables like af underscore I net and sock underscore stream. So by this we are getting the IP version 4, that is we are using IP version 4 in the socket to create for sending and transmitting and messages within a server. So for that we have to get the IP version and also the protocol. For getting the protocol we are using the socket dot sock underscore stream. The protocol normally which is used in this Python code is TCP, that is transmission control protocol. By this we can send and receive messages. So then we are connecting to a server. For that we are using the s dot connect function. So by using this within the connect function we have to call the address and the port of the uh, to connect to the server. The server which you have to connect, you have to call its address and the port number. 80 is the port number which we are using. It's just an default one we are using. Next we have to, first you have to connect, next you have to send a request to get the http function. So for that we are using the get http slash 1.1. By this we are getting the http uh, the address, and then by using the host, this host you may find. So by this, by we are given an address, this address will may be found in many places. So by specifying the host we can just take what is the address we needed, and this r and n which are used for uh, line breaks or text breaks within this HTTP text, that is an get function. Next we are using the encode function. So this we are giving in human written languages only, but initially this server couldn't understand this human written language. For that we have to, the socket it will not understand this human written language. For that we have to convert this human written language into bytes. For that only we are using this encode function. Then the request we have sent, we are getting its response by using the response receive function, that is recv function, and within that we are giving 1024. Then the response we have got, we have going to print, and print we within the print variable function, if you notice, that is print function, if you notice, means we have given a decode function. This is because we have encoded this human written languages to bytes. So again we have to convert this bytes to human written language. For that we are using this decode function. Then by this print what are the response which is found within the address of socket we will get. So if you notice, means this is the socket variables or output which we, this is the address we have got. Next we are closing it. Closing is necessary to close all the functions within those socket, that is close function. So this is the use of the socket library within Python. In the next video we will work with another function, that is shuttle. Thank you.